Stripe often doesn't appear in Shopify's payment options because Shopify Payments is available in your country. Shopify hides the standalone Stripe gateway in supported regions. Step-by-step fixes. Check your country settings. Go to Settings, General, and confirm your store's country. Stripe availability depends on your business location. Deactivate Shopify Payments if active. Go to Settings, Payments. Under Shopify Payments, click Manage, scroll down, and select Deactivate Shopify Payments. Confirm deactivation. Add Stripe as third-party provider. Refresh the payments page. Scroll to third-party providers. Click Choose a provider. Search for Stripe or Stripe Card Payments. Connect your existing Stripe account or create a new one. Activate it. Additional troubleshooting. Clear browser cache or try incognito mode. Update the Shopify app if using mobile. Ensure your Stripe account is fully verified. Check Stripe's supported countries list.